Hello guys, today I've got the MOTOROLA Moto G67 and I'm going to show you how you can easily connect any Bluetooth device, for example headphones, to your phone. The table says how to connect Bluetooth headphones, so that's what I'm going to show actually. I'll first open settings and here open connected devices. Tap per new device here and now prepare your headphones. These are my AirPods as you can see, and you need to just enter the pairing mode on your device. On the earbuds you need to just hold the the connection button, the button that you have on your back. Now we are in the pairing mode and they should appear here in a moment. Then tap your headphones that should appear and pair. And that's how to connect. Goodbye.